we did the front coilovers, now to do the rear.
We're going to support the axle with a car lift and remove the strut. A few light taps with your purse and it's going to come out. Now to completely remove it, you need to remove 2 bolts on top. Removing the springs in the rear is a lot easier than the ones in the front. You just pull down the axle and push it out. Now we have to remove the stud that held the strut in place. It didn't really want to come off, so I made it come off. The reason we did this is because we're going to need a whole new bracket to hold the coilover in place. And now that we removed the coilovers,
let's upgrade the old control arms on the Monte Carlo.
The new beefier control arms are going to help reduce wheel hop. Removing them is pretty simple. We're going to go underneath the car and remove the 2 bolts holding it together. Right now we're removing the lower control arms, but we're going to remove the upper control arms as well. The new control arms are adjustable, so I'm going to adjust them to the stock length. Now we're installing it, as well as the bracket we need for the coilover. Now that the lowers are done, we're going to do the same thing for the uppers. We're going to adjust them to the stock length. And now we install it. And now we got adjustable rear suspension. All we have left to do is...
let's install some coilovers.
Alright, let's go underneath the car. We're going to drill out the old mounting holes because we're going to need a new bracket with some bigger bolts. This is what the coilovers are going to attach to. And now it's time to tighten them. This is the perfect time to wear glasses, but I always get too lazy to. And always regret it. Now that the bracket's installed, we can install the coilover. And now we have fully adjustable rear suspension. Follow to see how we upgraded the rear drum brakes.